Hello, today I'm gonna make miso shiru or miso soup. Okay, my ingredients are tofu. I'm gonna use half of the tofu and dry wakame. This is miso paste. I'm gonna use hachjo miso paste. There are many kinds of miso like white, red, and mixed. Today I'm gonna use the hachjo miso and the dashi, Japanese dashi, 1 tablespoon, and sliced onion, green onion. This is the dashi, Japanese dashi that made from fish, and inside look like this. Okay, I'm gonna use 1 liter of water. Okay, I heat up my pot, and with the water of 1 liter of water, and I'm gonna use this for miso. I'm gonna put the miso in here and let it boil. Soak it in the water like this until it melts. I use about 60 grams of miso paste. Okay, my miso paste is melting into the water soup. Okay, next I'm gonna add wakame. And I use half pack of tofu. I cut it in small cube like this. Let it boil. Okay, and I'm gonna add my dashi for 1 tablespoon. And it's ready. You can taste it. It's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna add my green onion on the top before serving. Okay, turn off my heat. It's ready to serve. Okay, my miso soup is ready to serve. I'm gonna put this in the bowl. And the top of the onion. This is my miso soup at home. Thank you for watching.